not actually easy right now na kailahun as the heavy rain don dey come. This na one of the school present in kailahun wey dey near the Lawa River. This na Lawa International Academy. Presently, water don take over the school. As you dey see the tarpaulin, this na the side this way the preschool dey dey. But we don't see and say water don overtake am, but thank God we no able get no casualty and school no dey in section. Na this 4 o'clock rain begin come. So as you dey see currently, water don overtake the whole compound. Na the water na dey flow na the compound. So presently, as you dey look. This is the main highway, kailahun. As you dey see, this is the bridge. This way they become struck where they na the highway. But due to the heavy rain, the water don overtake the bridge. Now you dey see how people dey struggle for cross and the turn for go. Oh.